Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 14, 2025, Saturday Racing. Karera sa araw ng Sabado. Meron tayong 7 races. Lahat po ng 7 karera ay may distansyang 1,400 meter. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Isang non-winner, 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. First cool choice natin, number 3, Calculus with Jackie CL Advincula. Second choice, number 4, Cerveza. Race 2, pick 6, cover races 2 to 7. Ang ating pong first choice, number 6, White House. Another CL Advincula riding. Second choice, number 1, Grand Majesty. AR Villegas on the saddle. Sa race 3, pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 4, Dissolve. Tumako tayo ngayon sa race 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. First choice, number 4, Stepwell with Jackie Jan Alvin Guse. Second choice, number 5, Electrify, JG Serrano riding. Race 5. Ang ating pong cool first choice galing sa panalo, number 8, Bravo. Second choice, number 4, Unli Burn. Race number 6, race na may pentafecta. Ang ating pong first choice, number 3, Space Jam. Second choice, number 1, Adorable Felicia. Pati Dilemma na po ang sasakay. Last race, paratingan, race na may Super 6. First choice po natin, number 3, Boss Lady. Second choice, number 9, Bada Bing. Third choice, yung ine-expect at malamang na llamado, number 2, Full Combat Order. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!